So hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to strip back our caddy, start to clean up all the exterior. We're going to share some of our ideas how to turn this Caddy Maxi into a camper van. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Certainly look forward to any comments that you've got, and if you like, share some ideas with us, great. So back to the task in hand. First thing we're going to do is just remove these vinyl stickers. All we're using, simple heat gun, apply some heat, it melts the glue, and in this case it's pretty easy. They're not fantastic quality, they did the job, but what it does, it allows us to peel back the stickers in one and just leaving a film of glue. We'll show you some chemical tar and glue that we're going to use on there, some industrial chemicals actually, not off the shelf products, quite strong, but there you go, it's as simple as that. Okay guys, so there you see it, sliding door, first panel to have got all its vinyls totally removed. What I have decided to do while putting this video together is I'm going to put lots of little videos on my channel, each relating to each different process in this cleaning up of our exterior. There's come some quite interesting chemical products from Autosmart. None of them are available from, say, Halfords or something like that. They're all only available to trade, but it just shows how potent and how good quality the products are. So like I say, we will put some videos together. So back to us, Caddy. Obviously all this shelving, racking needs to come out. It's got trays, there's drawers, there's panels, it's all bolted in, riveted in. It's all got to come out. If you see there the name Bot, it's really heavy duty, good quality stuff this. I'm going to remove all this, lots of it anyway. There you go, even inside door, look, there's not an inch spare in this van. It must have been well used by engineers, but obviously it's no good to us, we want the space. So we are going to remove all this. So, just getting to the point, 50% of the racking and shelving out of the van. And at this stage, we'll show you what we're going to do with the bed. We're going to wrap a sliding extendable bed frame around this metal frame, the racking, keeping the sliding drawers. So we've got a real secure bed and frame. I can't wait to get our hands into that project, that'll be superb. But back onto the car wash. Okay guys, I don't know if you've ever used snow foam. I am definitely going to do a separate video on that. It's quite close to my heart, this one. I've had my car valeted, washed about a month ago, and they didn't use snow foam, and I wish they would have done. Basically on washing it and scouring it and sponging it, all little particles of grime, dirt were all scoured into my paintwork. And it has made a mess. So Range Rover, it's in black and it just spoils the whole look of it. So like I say, it is a bit close to my heart, that one, and I will do a video about that. If only I had to do snow foam. So the purpose of it, snow foam basically gets under the dirt and grime, it lifts it off the vehicle, so when you do give it a blast of high pressured water, you take away the dirt and grime without scouring the car or rubbing it into the car at all. Now we are going to use lots and lots more chemicals on this one, and I'll show you the reasons why shortly. But this can't it can't do it any harm. It's just lifting that surface bit of grime, bit of dust, and blasting it away. So keep an eye out for that video, quite interesting. So first of our Autosmart products, this is a tar and glue remover. It's heavy duty, you can't buy this off the shelf. It's really strong, good at what it does. You see the glue line, the tar there, it's basically going to eat into that, and we're going to scrape away the surface glue from the vinyl, and it'll also agitate the tar. It's already starting to do that, look, we can see that already. So obviously all this needs removing, otherwise when we start polishing we'll polish it into it. Look at the glue there, amazing product this one, absolutely amazing. So scraping away all the glue, getting rid of all the tar. Obviously we need to remove this straight away, it will need a wash, but just listen to this scraping, guys. Now that's a lot of glue, a lot of that is glue. However, along the flat surfaces there's a lot of fallout, a lot of contamination in this paintwork. So we'll blast away all the glue, all the debris from that, get rid of all that lot. Make a good clean job of that one. So next product we're going to use, Red 7. Now it says it's a neutral wheel cleaner. What that means is it removes all the particles from heated brakes, brake disc, dust, that sort of thing. There's a lot of this about. It does react on your car. It also removes any building materials, anything that's floating around in the air that settles on your car and damages your paintwork. You spray it on and you just wait for it to react. That's it reacting, guys. That's eating into dirt particles and contamination in the paintwork. So we're going to let it do its job, and then basically all we're going to do, we're going to give it a wipe. This really is a good reactive on wheels. Same again, this is not an off-the-shelf product. Each of these products, by the way, you must wear gloves, cover your eyes with goggles. They are pretty strong chemicals, these. So like I say, just give this a wipe off, smear it all over. You're basically getting rid of all particles and debris that's accumulated over years on top of your paintwork. And then obviously what we're going to do, we're going to give it a really good blast off with his pressure washer again. Each layer shows, by the way, and once you dry these vertils off, you really can tell. It's like they've had a polish, and with polish has not been nowhere near them. So like I say, just get it blasted off, get all this chemical off. Let's get back to the paintwork. Okay, so just showing you a wheel, we've covered the wheel in Red 7. We're not actually going to refurb these wheels. We've got a set of wheels, aluminium VW wheels, which I managed to pick up cheap. I'll show you those at the end of this video. Makes sense not to do these, but you can see how the brake dust ate into the paintwork. It's caused some damage. So Treble X, this is our next product. Same again, another Autosmart product, definitely not off the shelf. Wearing gloves, respirator and glasses for this one. It is an acid. It's quite a potent mix. You can tell as we spray it on. The bits of concrete there, they're turning white as the acid goes on. 5 minutes, get an agitation with some sort of valeting brush, firm bristle valeting brush. Probably have to do this in more than one layer if you've got a really heavy duty van that needs cleaning. And then same again, blast away all your chemicals, blast away all the dirt. So as you can see, guys, back in the workshop now. We've removed all the front bumper. We're going to sand down and paint that. It's textured, so we're going to build up the layers and make it a nice glossy finish. We've stripped all the interior ply lining and interior panelling out, the floor, that's all gone. Cut it right back. We've cut it right back. We're going to soundproof, insulate this vehicle. We've even took the seats out. We might do a little bit of something extra really special on seats. We do know someone who can make these look anything you want. As you can tell, still needs me interior valet, but now we can get to it and give a proper deep clean, and that'll be coming up in another video. Rear bumper, same again, that's going to get colour coded, as well as the wing mirrors, all going to get done. So looking forward to this project. Once you can see underneath the dirt, you can see why we've picked this van. It's never been any bumps, it's got nothing wrong with it structurally. It's really heavy duty. So new floor, all lining, all going to be carpeted. We've took the head lining out. We're going to fit some extra lights in there. And back to these wheels. Yeah, we've got three tyres that were bald. So we went on an internet site and we picked up a set of VW alloy wheels that do need a refurb. They'll go straight on our vehicle. They've got brand new tyres, virtually brand new tyres. And this is our next video. We're going to do a full refurb on these wheels. You can have them painted any colour you want. We're going to stick with the aluminium colour. But that's his next video. So I look forward to seeing you in that. Like I say, I'd love you to subscribe to his channel. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.